Hi everybody, CANNABEARD Grows here. How the heck are you doing? Happy 420 everybody. It's 420. Right on, yay! So today on 420, I'm doing something a little bit fun, a little bit cool for you. Gonna be doing a giveaway from, you know them, MARSHYDRO. I keep pressing that wrong button. There we go. MARSHYDRO. This thing right here, the fc-e1500. We're going to be giving away one of these things here in partnership with MARSHYDRO and myself. So what I need you to do, how you can enter to earn this wonderful light, is use this code. Write this in any of my videos. So any video, you can only do it once per video, but every video that you post this phrase, exactly, Mars 420 Hydro, one word, solid like this, on any of my videos, that's an entry. So you can enter one per video. I've got like, frick man, like 200 videos or something like that. So you can enter a lot if you really want to put the time and effort in. But go to all of my videos and type this in and hit enter, and you're entered to win, just like that. I will do a draw in 1 week's time, next Sunday. So that will be April 27th, 1 week from today. I'm gonna do the draw, and I'll let you guys know who the winner is. And again, don't fall for any of the fake things in the comments. If anybody in the comments says, hey, you win, go here, I'll never, ever, ever, ever tell you that you won in the comments. The only way I will ever tell you to win is in this kind of a format. I will do a video and say your name and put it up on screen. I will never do it in the comments. So if you see someone that looks like me in the comments trying to tell you to do something, report them, because they're not me, because I won't do that. Anyway, good luck everybody. Have yourself a wonderful, safe, and fun 420. Hopefully you guys don't green out, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.